Hey there, it's another edition of Tutorial Wednesday where I teach you one thing or the other you can do with your smartphone. And today, let's look at... Are you excited already? So am I. So, let's jump right into the video. If smartphones are regarded as one of the major sources of distraction, then learning how to use your smartphone productively is very important. And on this channel, we teach everything about smartphone productivity and profitability. And if this is the kind of video you want to keep receiving, hit the subscribe button down below. And to get notified when I release a fresh video, hit the bell icon and you will be first to know when I drop a fresh video. My name is Frederick. Keep watching.
So I finally found an application that is really awesome. Like this application called Taskada is I discovered recently, and I can tag it one of the best productivity tool that you will need on your smartphone to ensure that you are getting your job or the task that you have to do on daily basis done. This application offers really cool features, really cool functions for free, and it's available both for your laptop or iPhone or tablet or just a smartphone or just your Android, right? So I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be reviewing or sharing a tutorial on how to use this application to get the job done either for you and your staff or you and your team effortlessly. Even right now that most countries are still on lockdown and people are working from home, this application is really going to come handy for you, so stay locked down. So when you download Taskada, it's going to ask you, of course, to sign up. So you can sign up. So once you sign up, you're going to come to this page. Okay, you're going to come to this page. All right, you're going to come to this page. Okay, this is the home screen on Android phone. All right, so when I tap here, this is where you can change your image. All right, and then change if you signed up using your email and you would want to change the default username that you were given. So this is also where you change it. Okay, so over here is a password where you can change your password, change your time zone. Okay, I stay in Nigeria, so you just got my time zone and everything correctly. Then also change the start of the week. Some people's week starts on Wednesday. I don't know the time that your week starts, so you can just change that here also. So the language option here, so you can change the language option to any other language of your country or your choice. Okay, then manage sessions. All right, so over here is the dark mode. This can also come up in light mode actually. So it can come up in light mode. Okay, this was set by my phone, or it switched automatically. Okay, so it can come up in light mode as well. So this is the light mode. It's not coming up. Okay, maybe it's because of my phone or something. So then the Gmail, Facebook, and also the Twitter. Okay, and also Twitter, you can connect to your Twitter. All right, so let's get into this application immediately. So over here you can see search for things that you've already done, recent activity. All these are empty. So when you come to Workspace, okay, tap on the new Workspace. So I'm going to create a workspace for us at Movio Console for my company. Then I'm going to tap on the color, all right, and change it to the color of my company, my brand color. Okay, so great. So here I'm going to add my company logo here too. So I'm going to add my company logo. All right. Okay, because Taskada can actually be used for you and your team. All right, you guys can actually come down here. I think there's another application that kind of has some features like this, but I don't think if there's anyone that has even all of the features that this application carries. Like this application will help you while you're working from home to make your work smooth, all right, for you and your team. So here you can invite people. So of course the rest of your team are going to get the application, and then you can either use their username or email to bring them to work to this workspace. Okay, so now you can easily start giving tasks to your team members. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, this is how it looks like right now. So you can see edit members. There's no member yet. Okay, notification in case of anything happening within this workspace. So this is literally a remote workspace for your team, for your business. All right, so completed projects, archived workspace, and deleted workspace. So let's just keep this here because nothing has happened there yet. Okay, so when you tap here, this is where you can also get to add members, and then over here is where you can create the task for the day. All right, so over in the blank project is where you can, let's just leave the blank project, all right, until you see how it is arranged in the daily task, weekly planner, and meeting agenda. So let's start with the daily task. All right, so this is how Taskada, how it offered you how your daily task should look like. So you can see the first thing, important, the next one is to-do list, all right, then the notes of what to get done, or maybe objectives of the day and all that. So you can also add more blocks. You can add a block as a checklist, bullets, number, or a paragraph. All right, so let's assume that this is how I want it to look. So I can start here. So over here is the dates. Okay, so you can schedule this for tomorrow. Let's assume that I'm scheduling this for tomorrow, how our work is going to look like at the company by tomorrow. Okay, so I'm changing it to 18th. all right, so over at the assign, had it been there are more people here, all right, changing this assign, I can create so many daily tasks and assign it to different people in the company, all right, in the business. So let's assume that I'm assigning this to FNEBS SBC, that's me. So, and then tag, all right, so I can tag something like maybe the project that is assigned to FNI, let's say videography. So let's say that FNEB is the person that is in charge of the videos for the company. All right, so we can come over at the important and say finish the video contract from let's just use London. All right, from London, create 3 videos for company social media. Okay, these are important things that FNEB need to do, right? So, and the next thing I can say, create video ad for the next class. All right, so this is what I'm assigning to FNEB. Okay, so to-do list can look like, okay, we can still copy everything here. We can copy everything here actually and put it also on the to-do list. Okay, we can copy everything here, put it also on the to-do list, so that as FNEB is doing any of those tasks, right, he's going to be ticking them, and then in the workspace where everybody is, we are going to be seeing, or me being the owner, I'm going to being the boss, is going to be seeing everything that FNEB is doing. So under the notes we can say collaborate with the intern in your section, right? Notes, ensure to use the premium version of the app. Then this task should be reported before 19th March. Okay, so here we have this right now. Okay, now up here is where you see message. So if I want to message the team member here, okay, if I want to message the team member, I can just invite the person to this place. All right, so you see that this application went ahead to create a chat conversation, a conversational feature for you and your team. All right, just like WhatsApp. All right, just like a WhatsApp option, a WhatsApp plugin, right? And if you do not just want to use the text format, all right, you can also send a document. You can see cloud, right? You can see cloud up here. Then over here you can also do what? Create a video call. All right, you can call via voice call. Okay, so let's wait for it to connect. So you can make a voice call, or as you can see voice call and video call. All right, so this application is really what's awesome. And for everything that is happening, you can see this is the notification button that is telling you notify me for all updates and other things. Okay, so this application helps you and your team to stay productive, to keep the job going on easily with your smartphone, right? So check out the calendar right now. So over here on the 18th, if I tap on the 18th, you can see daily task. Okay, daily task. Okay, so on the daily task, FNEB is, so for instance that I am the boss of this company, which of course I am, I can easily get to know what everyone is expected to be doing at every point in time without having to rack my head or without having to open my laptop to do anything. With my phone, and I say, okay, he's done. So assuming that FNEB has done any of this, you can just do a tick. All right, you can just do a tick. You can just tick. Okay, you can tick. All right, if there's any need for any other thing, then it's also done. All right, so when you come back to the workspace, all right, you can also create meeting agenda. There are some people that are really bad with creating meeting agendas. So over here it gives you a template that you can use to create meeting agenda. So the first button can be tagged as goals for the meeting, goals to accomplish in the meeting. The next one can be action plan. Okay, the third one can be notes. This is subject to whatever you want it to do. Okay, then the third one can be let's just say to-do list again. Some people actually you can use this to do what, prioritize tasks. Okay, you can use this to prioritize tasks as well. All right, so over here you can write the goals for the meeting. All right, you can always change this team agenda to maybe Morville consults meeting or report, sort of. Okay, you can actually come down here and do your meetings using the group chat here or using the voice chat. All right, the video call. So over here, so this is how you get this done. So when you want to now create a blank project or create a template, maybe for myself, I want to create a project for myself. Let's just call it to do TDL, to do list of 17th March. Okay, so first off, let's just say goals, daily goals. So I can write this as, I can type daily goals. So let's tag something. No, so I can use something like add this and bullets. Okay, so let's use goals. All right, daily goal, daily goal. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. All right, so let's say make $100, make $100, create plan for next week. Next can be schedule videos for YouTube, call clients. Okay, so now I can add another block and say checklist now and write top priority. So I'm going to list out my priorities for today. Everything I need to do that is a must, I complete it today. Okay, then next thing I can still add another. Maybe I can just write idea block. Okay, so over here, what am I going to be writing under my idea block? Maybe as I'm going today and I get, like yesterday, I got an idea of something, so I can actually come here and write down the idea that I got as the day is going on. So you can see that this application is what, really fantabulous. This application is really fantabulous. You can also see the weekly planner, okay, where you see goes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, everything you need to do for the whole week, and then the notes for the whole week. All right, so this helps to make your task seamless for you, gets you aware or informed of what you ought to be doing at every particular point in time, and also ensures that you stay productive with your smartphone. And that is what we always talk about on this channel. And if this video was really helpful to you, hit the subscribe button right now, and on the screen you must be seeing videos that are already created that you might want to love to keep watching.